If you're a fan of stage plays and musicals at PETA and find yourself visiting from outside Metro Manila, I have the perfect recommendation for your stay. Summit Hotel Magnolia. This delightful hotel is conveniently located just a short distance from the theater, making it an ideal choice for theater enthusiasts seeking comfort and accessibility. Enjoy a relaxing retreat with exceptional service and modern amenities, all while being just moments away from captivating performances. I recently stayed at the Summit Hotel Magnolia in Quezon City while attending the performance of One More Chance musical play at the PETA Theater. I couldn't be chosen a better place. The hotel's convenient location made it an easy 10-minute drive to the theater, which was perfect for catching evening performances without the hustle of long commutes. Grab only charged 168 pesos to take me to PETA and 70 pesos on a taxi going back to the hotel. From the moment I arrived, the staff greeted me with warm hospitality. The check-in process was smooth, and I appreciated the complimentary room upgrade. It was a nice touch after a long day of travel. This is the room where we were given a complimentary free upgrade. The hotel itself is beautifully designed, combining modern comfort with local charm. This is not my first time staying here. Since my first experience 6 years ago, I always wanted to stay here again. I am pleasantly surprised that the hotel remained modern and beautiful. It did not become outdated. My room was spacious, spotlessly clean, and featured a comfortable bed along with a well-stocked minibar. The large window provided a lovely view of the city, and I enjoyed relaxing there after my theater outings. One of my favorite aspects was the adjacent mall, which offered stunning and serene shopping atmosphere. It was the perfect spot to unwind with a drink after the show. The on-site restaurants also impressed me. There were many choices of very good restaurants, including food stalls in the basement. Their menu highlighted local flavors, and I particularly enjoyed breakfast each morning with plenty of options to choose from. I definitely discourage you from including breakfast meals in your accommodation. Additionally, the hotel features a well equipped fitness center and a room massage therapy services, which I found refreshing after a busy day. However, there is no pool. The location is ideal for anyone looking to explore not just the theater, but also nearby shops and restaurants. After the performances at PETA, it was great to have a comfortable and inviting hotel to return to. Overall, my experience at Summit Hotel Magnolia was fantastic, with excellent service, comfortable accommodations, and a prime location near PETA. It's definitely my go to choice for future visits. I can't wait to return for more theater nights.